A new political storm is brewing here in the state of Karnataka after purported sexual harassment videos involving JDS MP Prajwal Revanna have been circulated on social media. Now, after the videos were being circulated, the Karnataka State Women's Commission have filed a complaint with the DGP as well as the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah of Karnataka demanding an SIT team to investigate into this matter. Now, following the complaint by the State Women's Commission and various other commissions, the Karnataka state government has decided to form an SIT to probe into this matter. Now, coming to the whereabouts of the JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, is said to have taken a 3 a.m. flight yesterday to Frankfurt in Germany and is said to be absconding right after this issue came to light. Now today, the JDS, which held a press conference, stated that no, the Karnataka state government's decision to form an SIT to investigate against the allegations, the sexual harassment allegations against Prajwal Revanna, the JDS party welcomes it, and if the report finds him guilty, a necessary action will be taken against you. So this is the statement coming in from GT Devegowda, the JDS party core committee chairman here in the state of Karnataka. Now, mounting the pressure on the JDS here in the state of Karnataka, Priyank Kharge and various other leaders have questioned the BJP regarding the candidature of JDS MP Prajwal Revanna. Now remember, Prajwal Revanna is also the sitting MP of Hassan and also the NDA candidate for the Hassan constituency. So right now the Congress is questioning and cornering the BJP as well as the JDS, who are alliance partners here in the state of Karnataka in the Lok Sabha polls 2024. And at the very same time, the Karnataka Congress women wing have also staged a protest here in Bengaluru, and also they have filed a complaint with the DGP stating that he must be arrested immediately. The Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara, who spoke on the issue, has also mentioned that on the directions of the Chief Minister, an SIT has been formed and the team will be announced very shortly, and after that he says that it is left upon the SIT to speak to all the women who have been affected by this. They investigate into the case and also look at the purported evidence regarding this whole sexual harassment case and the videos that are being circulated online. And also it is left to them in order to ensure that they procure Prajwal Revanna and bring him back into India and conduct the further investigation.